How to use ChatGPT to make smarter buying decisions. Before you buy your next product, what if you had a personal shopping assistant who's smart, fast, and never tries to upsell you? Well, meet ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a free AI chatbot created by OpenAI. You type in a question, and it gives you a clear, human-like answer. It's like having your own 24/7 research assistant without the hourly fee. Why use ChatGPT for shopping? Tired of reading endless reviews, scrolling through forums, and watching 20-minute videos for every product? Yeah, same here. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting by summarizing key info instantly. Just ask it to compare products, explain differences, or recommend options that fit your needs. Real example number 1, let's say you're buying a new phone. You ask, compare the iPhone 15 versus Samsung Galaxy S24 for camera quality, battery life, and price. ChatGPT might say, the iPhone 15 has better video quality. The Galaxy S24 offers better zoom and slightly better battery life. And Samsung? They usually have better deals. Real example number 2, or maybe you're shopping for an air purifier. You ask, what are the best air purifiers under $200 with washable filters? ChatGPT might list top models, share pros and cons, and even suggest where to buy them, all in under 10 seconds. Other prompts you can try. Here are a few more prompts that work like magic. What's the difference between OLED and QLED? Should I wait for the next MacBook? Compare the Dyson V15, Shark Stratus, and Tenneco S12. Or, summarize the Amazon reviews for this product, pros and cons only. Tips for better results. Want better answers from ChatGPT? Here's how. Be specific. Mention your budget or how you'll use the product. Ask follow-up questions, treat it like a conversation, and copy-paste product descriptions or reviews. Then ask for a simple summary. Boom! You're shopping like a pro. Final thoughts. ChatGPT won't tell you what to buy, but it will help you make smarter, faster, more confident decisions. It's like having a research assistant who never sleeps and never judges your cart full of 2 a.m. impulse buys. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share your favorite ChatGPT shopping prompt in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy...
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You buy me cool new stuff. Bye-bye!